Welcome back. This is the continuation of device forensic based on USB drive. As I said in the introduction video that we were doing investigation. It happened that in a office there was a theft of confidential information. Different confidential files and folders were transferred from office and linked out of office. And I said that office, prohibited the usage of removable USB drive in computers owned by office. So as I said that uh, Mr. Noel, as the CEO of Motec, allowed forensic specialist to make investigation to Mr. Moses, who is suspected as a theft of confidential files and folders from office. So here we have USB drive of Mr. Moses. So we wanted to create image before going to make analysis and to detect if that USB drive was involved in carrying or in theft of confidential files and folders. So this is a scenario we are working on it. So elsewhere, if it happened, maybe there is a theft of confidential files and the directories, or there is a certain device, especially USB, is suspected to be carrying malicious files like porn photo, nude photo, and else malicious material forbidden either by government or by office. Here you can make investigation, or you can get evidence first by creating image of USB drive, then later on make analysis by using autopsy. So here we go. As you can see, this is my computer and this is my USB drive. As you can see, this is my USB drive. I've plugged in into my computer. So if you are following this tutorial, make sure you have any USB drive for making practice. This is my USB drive, which is 15 GB. And the second thing, make sure you have installed the Access Data FTK imager. This is for creating a USB image. So those are the two most requirements you need. So I'll use a book written by myself and a Motec Company Limited. You can get these books from our account. It is called Motec Inc. from SlideShare. So let's use resources. As I can say that Motec is full of resources. Let me click this. Okay, this is your guide. This book or this article was written by myself. Digital Forensic Create Device Image using FTK. So these are the steps. These are the steps. So we'll be following these steps. We'll be following this step, but let's download it so that we can use it in our computer. So you can double click to open Access Data FTK Imager for creating a mini image this way. Now do not forget to subscribe. Give me your support. I need more subscribers. So far I have 125 subscribers. I need even 100 million subscribers. I need great support. I want to make this channel great. So let's click here. So our file is this one. Let's open it. So as you can see, this book is written under Motec Company Limited and by author Noel Moses Mwadende. I'm the author. So let's follow step. As you can see, this is a mini interface of Access Data FTK imager. As you can see here, it looks the same. After that, you need to, you need to tap, as shown in figure 1 on the left side, select file, then choose create disk. So you should click on file, then you should choose create disk image. As I have said that we are going to create USB, USB drive image. So click on that. This is a step. This option should be left physical drive as it is USB drive. Also, as you can see in figure 2, option is physical drive. Then after that, choose create design window will come shown. Then we need to click next. Click next. So as you can see here, source drive selection. Please select from a file. Source drive selection. What is the meaning of source? This is the source drive from which you want to create device image. As you can see here, we needed to choose USB drive. So here, this is option you can tap to select like this way. Now you can see generic flash disk USB device. Click on that. I've said that this is the source drive selection. It means that source, where do we create device image device image is from USB drive. So always this must be a source. We create image from where it is from USB drive, and that is a source. After that, click next. As you can see here, okay, image source. This is image source, physical drive. Okay, as you can see, this is image source. Here there is add, create directory listing of all files. This is okay. All files created in this created in this USB will be in tree-like structure. Those files, directory and subdirectory, will arrange in series. It will look like a tree structure. This option is verify image after they are created. It means that FTK image will create MD5 and SHA-1 signature. Later on, it will compare to verify if image created is real, is it fake or original. So make sure you check this option, mark them, make sure you click. So click on add. So please select the destination image type. This is when you are creating, when you are creating image for USB drive or disk, you need to select format. So this format is used for Windows. This and this mostly is used for Windows, but raw DD is used for Linux. So for the time being, choose option number 3 as our format. Our ISO image will be of this format E01. So click on next. So here evidence item information. So you need to fill this information: case number, evidence number, unique description, examiner, who is checking, who is dealing, who is supervising the case, and the notes. So let me open on my book and let's see how we can fill this information. So case number, let's put it 01, evidence number 11. So let's put 01 here, let's put 11. Unique description, let's say this is a murder case. Okay, no, let's say theft of files, as I explained from scenario. So examiner, who is this examiner? Forensic expert. Let's say the examiner of this case is, is supervised by Motec. Yeah, notes this is murder case for 5 years old child. So let me say here, this is case, this is, case, this is theft of files case. So this is case, uh, uh, I mean theft of files. As I said before that Mr. Moses was suspected to have stolen confidential files and folders from Motec Company Limited. Then after that, you should click on next. That way, image destination folder and image file name. So here you can create, you can click on browse to choose a destination. Destination of image. Where do you want your image to be, to be stored after being created? That is a destination. As you can see, or you can remember, source of image is image source is physical drive, is from our USB drive. So where should created image be stored, or where should it be stored? So that is destination of image. So let me say I want to press it on desktop. Desktop. Then here you can make a new file. I can say theft of files. This is a case. Then okay. Oh, theft of file. Desktop theft of file. Then okay. Then you should name the file. This is a folder in which our image will be stored. So here you should give a name of your ISO image file. Let me name it as USB image. This way. Then you can click next. I hope so far we are in our last step of finalizing this issue. So here we need to finish. Click finish, then image will start to be created. So start, click on start. Now almost the work is done, and to be honest, this is the end of our tutorial. These are all steps for creating USB drive image so that it can be used for making analysis by using autops in next video. This will be done in our next video. So here it will go. Let's give a time. If we go at our desktop, you can see there is a file called the theft of files, and this is image USB image.e01. As I said that when you are creating image, you should have, or you should name the format of image. There are several formats for creating your image, as I explained before, that there is raw, in the bracket DD, there is smart, there is E01, and there is AFF. Those are the different formats. But these two formats, Smart and E01, they are most used in Windows. But RAW is used in Linux and Unix operating system. Also, this is called this is for is abstract of advanced. It is advanced file format for doing forensic. I hope so. Advanced forensic, yeah. But for the time being, let's use this format. So it is just the amount of time. Let's wait, and our ISO image will our image will be created. Our image will be created. Let us wait. Yeah, this is slow. So after completing, the creation of image, if you will open, in your your folder, you should get the name like this: USB image dot E01. This is your ISO image. As you can see, explanation from my book that in figure 16 we can see our image of format E01 is created. Yeah. If you get this book, this is way to get in touch with Motech. This is our YouTube channel. This is our LinkedIn account. This is Amazon link. This is GitHub link. This is scribd.com link, and this is SlideShare link. So let's wait for completing the creation of image. As you can see here, there is alert that creating image. This is how it works. Image is being created. But what I want to remind you is that do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So far, Motech have 125 subscriber. We need more support. Also, if you can see at our channel, there is different playlist. Yeah, there is a different playlist. You can, if you are interested, in forensic, there are tutorials for forensic. If you need programming language, there is different tutorials for programming language and so far. Also, there is different tutorials teaching on how to use Microsoft in English. Also, there is course, for course for learning Microsoft in English. So if you want to subscribe at Motech, you can search us by using this name, Noel Moses. As you can see here, there is Noel Moses Mwadende, and this is our channel. You can subscribe here if you have signed in. Yeah, this is our channel. So far we have I mean 125 subscriber and 164 videos. There are different videos so far, as you can see here. Subscribers, Nile Moses. Yeah, that's it. Let's wait for our image to be created. Yeah, it's matter of time. So you can get these books from Motec, I mean from Motec SlideShare account. Also, you can get them from GitHub account called the Motec Store, owned by Motec. You can get it. Also, if you Google my name here, Noel Moses Mwadende, you can see different resources. Yeah, these are my books I've written so far. Here you can see. This is a link for our GitHub account, so you can click on that. Then you can click on Motec Store. After this, you can click on repositories. Then there is this USB drive forensic. You can click on that. So these are resources which can help you when you are doing device, when you are doing device forensic. These are the resources. And this is make a device image. Yeah, this is the book I'm using so far. So you can also download them. You can download the whole repository, or you can download this single book. So here, as you can see, there is option to download this book. So you can click here and download it. But if you want to read it directly, as you can see, it is open up. Then you can be following steps, one step after another. So that's it. So far, I've shown you two different links online where you can get your resource. Our first link is from GitHub account, which is called the Motec Store, owned by Motec, as you can see here. It is owned by Motec. Also, I've shown you our SlideShare account, which have different books. So you have option to download where you need or you like to download the resources. So let's wait for image being created and see it. This is a source from where our image is created. This is the destination folder. It will be located in a local disk C user Motec desktop theft of file. Then the name of file is USB image, as you can see here. Let's wait for it to complete. After completing, it will alert us that the image is successfully created. So let's wait. Let's wait it. Let us wait it. Desktop USB forensic master. Yeah, I hope it is completing. Yeah, it's almost over. Now after creating um, our image is a time, to verify. As I told you that when you verifying, it will verify it by using a SHA-1 signature and MD5, so that to detect if created image is fake or original. It will start to verify. So let's give a time for it. Let's give a time for it to verify. This option is located here as this one, create directory listing. Then this, the first verify image after they are created is what is being done so far. You can see it is image created successfully. You can cross. Yeah, it is verifying. As I told you that it will create two signature of MD5 and SHA-1 so that to verify if the created image is fake or original. But also it is not necessary to verify by using FTK Imager. There are different softwares for verifying if created image is fake or original. As you can see, or you can read the description from this article, it says that verify image after they are created. FTK Imager will generate MD5 and SHA-1 to verify created image if it is correct. And this is what is being done. So let's wait. Let's wait a few minutes. Refresh. Yeah. Few minutes for it. This is our image we'll use, created by FTK Imager. These are just the information. Image. Yeah. Let's wait for it to verify. Now this is, as I told you, it is a series of forensic device tutorial. As if you want to get them, to get the whole series, you can go to playlist, then go to USB drive forensic. Yeah. After that, you will get my first or our first video, which was just for introduction. Then the second video was for protecting device from being altered or from being modified. So this will be, will be the third video for our USB drive forensic sales tutorial. And the last video we will learn on how to make analysis of created image by using autops. So this is how it is happening. Let's wait for it to verify and finish our tutorial. Yes, few minutes to go. Device, when you are doing forensic device, it is more, beneficial, because it will give you all evidences. If USB drive involved in transferring of files, all files will be listed. All deleted files will be retrieved. Everything will be retrieved. Emails, files, videos, pictures, different, a lot of things. You will see it when you will start to make when you will start to make analysis by using autops. Do not miss our next video. This is Motec. I'm Noel Moses Mwadende. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Our next video will be making analysis by using autops. So do not miss it. This will use this article written. It was written by myself. We'll use this article. It is also present in GitHub, as you can see here from GitHub repository, USB drive forensic, making analysis in forensic. This is article which will be used in our next video to make analysis. After getting image, you make analysis. So far, let me remind you 3 steps we should or will do. The first step is to make a USB or to protect USB from being altered or modified, which we use the CMD or command prompt in Windows to make read-only permission to USB. The second step is to create image from device, which is USB, and the tool used is FTK image creator. And the last step of making device forensic analysis is to make analysis by using autops. So it is finishing. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait for it to finish. Now you can see MD5 computer hash. This is computer hash. This is the SHA-1. No body sector found, so nothing is wrong. You can close. If you go in your file, you can see list of your image created. This is the name of image created, and we'll use this one, USB image.I01. We'll use this. As if you can see from our book, after completing this task, there was a file named USB image.e01. So this is the end of our tutorial. Do not miss our next tutorial, in which we'll make analysis of USB by using created image. This is Motec. I'm Noel Moses Mwadende. Welcome, and do not miss in next video. Goodbye.